Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. How are you, students? Hope so you all are fine. Today, Thursday, 17th December 2020. Let's start our topic with the name of Allah. Today, our topic is electricity. Yesterday, we have started our new chapter, that is electricity. Today, let us discuss another term, that is voltage. To discuss the voltage, let's first have a look on current. Students, as you know that all matter are composed of element or a compound and all elements are composed of molecules and all molecules are made up of atoms, and in every atom there are a number of electrons. Student, basically current is the flow of electrons, that is, electron is denoted by negative, so the flow of electron is known as current. Yesterday we have studied about the current. Now a question arises that what is a voltage? Student, voltage is the push that causes current to flow. And we said that current is the flow of electron. So that the push that causes these electrons to flow is known as voltage. If we have a zero voltage, then it means no current is flowing. And if we have a greater voltage, that is 120 or 240 volts, then it means that the electrons are flowing and a sufficient amount of current is producing. So voltage is related to the current, as it is the pushing force that pushes the electrons to flow. Student, now let us discuss the exact definition of voltage. What is voltage? Voltage is the amount of energy supplied by the source of electrical energy, that is current, source of electrical energy to each unit of electric charge. To each unit of electric charge. This is known as voltage. It is the amount of energy, that pushing force supplied by the source of electrical energy. The source of electrical energy might be bulb or any other battery, to each unit of electric charge. So this is the definition of voltage. Now what is the SI unit of voltage? The SI unit of voltage is volt, which is denoted by V. Volt is also denoted by millivolt and also kilovolt. Student, the instrument which is used to measure the voltage is voltmeter. Voltmeter is an instrument which, when attached with the electric circuit, the reading on the voltmeter will describe us about the voltage. For example, अगर हम लोग सिंपली एक एग्जाम्पल देखें, in our homes an electric meter has been placed every home. So here a needle, a circuit is shown in which a needle shows that the 120 volts, 240 volts, so on. Here voltage has been shown which tell us about the amount of current. Whenever the light is dim, so then we say that there is a low voltage current, so switch off all the lights. This is the voltage. Now another topic that we'll discuss is the formula of voltage. What is the formula of voltage? Formula of voltage is V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. Here V is the voltage, I will present to the current, and R is the resistance. Student, now another topic that of today discussion is connection of voltage. Connection of voltmeter. Okay, how can we connect the voltmeter in an electric circuit? Voltmeter always connected in a parallel. That is, here a voltmeter and a battery, here a bulb. Battery is connected with the bulb. Voltmeter must attach in a parallel direction. If it is connected in a parallel direction, this arrangement is correct. If the voltmeter is connected in a series direction, that is, here the battery, bulb and voltmeter, this direction is false. This is correct. Voltmeter always connected in a direction parallel with the circuit. Next topic of voltage is electromotive force. Student, what is electromotive force? Electromotive force. As the name indicates, electro mean electron, motive mean motivation करना, motivates करना. So that force which motivates the electron to flow is known as electromotive force. In simple words, we will say that the force which motivates the electron is known as electromotive force. So an electromotive force is denoted by EMF. The definition of electromotive force is the voltage of a source of electrical energy is called electromotive force. That is EMF. So students, here the electromotive force has been discussed, that the force which motivates the electron to flow and produce a sufficient amount of voltage. So the voltage of the source of electrical energy is called EMF. Now another term that are related to the current and voltage is potential difference. Student, what is potential difference? What is potential difference? Potential difference is the voltage between any 2 points in a circuit is called potential difference. The voltage between any 2 points In a circuit, is called potential difference. That is, students, we have a voltage in whenever we take an electric circuit, then a sufficient amount of voltage will be produced to force the flow of electron. When the voltage produces, when we compare voltage between 2 points. For example, two bulb is connected parallel or series. All of these bulbs are connected to the battery. The sign of battery shown as this one, positive, negative. This sign shows the presence of a battery. Whenever different bulb, or three bulbs connected with the battery, the potential difference between this point or this point or this point, between any 2 points, will be known as potential difference. Students, now open your books. That is Lower Secondary Science 2. This book is of 7th class, grade 7. We have started our chapter number 17, electricity. Open your books, page number 193. Yesterday we did the reading up till here. Now we will start our next reading. Here, voltage. I have explained you voltage. What is the voltage? The driving force to push electric charges round a circuit is supplied by a source of electrical energy such as an electric cell. The amount of energy supplied by the source of electrical energy to each unit of electric charge is called voltage. I have explained you this. Student, now turn the page, move to this circuit. Here, a cross sign shows that bulb. Here bulb is connected and a battery is connected. The electron push out from here from the negative terminal. Electron move from the negative terminal of the battery and carry electrical energy to the bulb. Here electrical energy converted into the light and heat energy in the bulb, and electron return to the electric cell. This is a simple circuit to show how the electrical energy will be produced in the bulb. Next, student, here I have explained you voltmeter. Here the voltmeter has been drawn. This is the voltmeter. The reading of this needle indicates us that the reading of voltage, what amount of voltage in volts. Next, move the page. Here 3 diagram has been shown. Now in one diagram, this diagram shows how the voltmeter is connected in the electrical circuit. So here in first diagram, voltmeter is connected parallel with the battery having positive terminal. This arrangement is correct. The positive terminal of the battery should connect it to the positive terminal of the voltmeter. Then in next diagram, voltmeter is attached in series. This is wrong diagram, wrong arrangement. Next arrangement, here voltmeter is connected parallel, but with the arrangement of voltmeter is wrong. That is, it is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. It should connect it positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So this arrangement is also false. Students, today your classwork is short question. So students, here your classwork is short questions of this chapter. I am assigning you 3 short questions, 1, 2, 3. You have to write the answer of these questions. Question number 1 is define electric current and voltage. First of all, write the heading of electric current and then answer it. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charges. Then you also have to write the SI unit of electric current, that is ampere. Second is part B is voltage. What is voltage? The amount of energy supplied by the source of the electrical energy to each unit of electric charge is known as voltage. Question number 2 is what is electric circuits and what are their types? Students, yesterday I have explained you two types of circuit, that is series circuit and the parallel circuit. So what are electric circuit? The electric circuit is the path along which the electric charges move. And number B part is what are their types? There are two types of electric circuit, that is series circuit and the parallel circuit. In series circuit is one that connects an electrical source with its component one after the other, forming a single loop, is known as series circuit. And a parallel circuit is one that split into two or more branches with connected electrical components. Question number 3 is define electromotive force. I have explained you this too. The answer is the voltage of a source of electrical energy is called electromotive force, which is also represented by EMF. This is your classwork. Write down your classwork on your copies properly and then show me. Let me check your work. Either you have do the right answer or wrong. Thank you, class.